Hey family, hey family, hey family. So I just want to do a quick little video on the blossom end rot because we have a lot of it going on, and I guess it's been going on for a few weeks now. But I just want to show you guys. See it on the leaves and the little watermelon. My big watermelon, I don't know what happened to it. I'm not even gonna worry about it. Got some right there on that watermelon. On this baby that I sit over here on the brick. So basically, the blossom end rot is, I don't want to say simply, but basically it's just a deficiency of calcium in your soil. So what I did was I did a gallon of water, and I did 3 tablespoons of lime. Now you can use lime, and you can also use diatomaceous earth. They both are pretty good with calcium. Before I knew it, it was already going on about, you know. Oh, y'all, look at I told y'all I planted 6 new ones a few weeks back. Oh, is that cucumbers? Growing again? My God. Where's my new watermelons? Oh, guys, and the cantaloupe finally coming back to life out of all this time. Like 2 months, finally coming back. But we finna get ready to pull some of this stuff up out of here. Some of the dead looking stuff. Okay, so this is my new watermelons right here that I planted a few weeks back. Now, we harvested like 6 watermelons out the bed. They were good watermelons. So I guess that was the first round. And then after the first round, that's when we started noticing the calcium deficiency in the leaves. That was before we even saw the spots at the bottom, you know, where they blossom and start growing it and start rotting. They hadn't even started yet. But we didn't get to it in time. Now, that's something that you really can't fix in the fruit. Here go one right here. You can't fix in the fruit. And you see how this one ain't as bad as the other one? That's because we already added calcium to the soil. So that one didn't spread as bad as the ones on this side. I hope y'all can understand what I'm saying. Oh, it's a cucumber. I have to get some of this mess up out of here. So you cannot fix what's already broken, but you can amend the soil with either lime or diatomaceous earth. Now, I don't know about that other stuff. All I know is what I've been using for the last 2 years. I just been busy and did not catch it in time. But what's already done is already done. But the watermelons that'll be coming after this, after, you know, I pull, because I want to keep these on here just so I can experiment, y'all, to see if we could, you know, eat the half that's not rotted out. And the tendril on it is dried up, and it ain't nowhere near the size it's supposed to be. So that also stunted its growth. It also stunted its growth. I got one up in here. Let me see if it's at the bottom of it. Nope. See what I'm talking about? See, the ones that was already affected after our first watermelon harvest, it's like those 6 depleted the soil of calcium. Let's put it like that. The first 6 that we harvested and ate depleted all the calcium from the soil. And after that, that's when the soil became deficient of calcium. So now that I put it, replenish the soil with the calcium, what's growing after that is healthy. Because it's not on that one. And here's a newer one. See, look at that. No blossom end right on it. So it's what I said, like down to the T. So I hope you guys understand what I mean. And that big one that used to be right here, it didn't have it on it either. And I was saving that big sucker too, because Broke was talking about the biggest watermelon on YouTube, and I wanted everybody to see my little watermelon. Shoot, it's my first year growing watermelon too. Shoot, I came out here yesterday, it was gone. So we got, what's that? 1, 2, 3, and then this one right here got it just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then we got a watermelon over there, and it does not have it either. But see, these ones that do, they already was producing when the ones that was in the bed were getting ready. So once you add your calcium back to your soil, everything you harvest after that, it will not have the blossom end rot. It will not. This sucker here almost ready, y'all. It will not have the blossom end rot after the fact. And see, here go a newer one too. And look at the blossom on it. So that's pretty much the case. Now here go one that's down here. And look at the blossom end right on that. And see how dried up it is. See, they've been out there as long as they've been out there. But we finna get all this stuff pulled up. And look at this baby over here growing. And the bottom of it is fine. So, yeah, once you replenish your soil, you should be good to go. It shouldn't be any problems. Now, as far as the 3 watermelons that did get it, like I said, I'm going to hold on to them as long as they keep growing and the rot don't keep growing. We going to wait and we going to harvest them and see if it's salvageable. You know what I'm trying to say. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But I just wanted y'all to know that blossom end rot ain't no joke. And before you know it, it's already too damn late. Like for that particular harvest. Not for your full crop. And see, all the leaves that were showing the deficiency, they are dying on off. And then we got green, healthy leaves growing back. And I didn't feed the soil again, like amend the soil. The only thing I added to the soil was calcium. That was it. Because that's what the deficiency was showing. See what I mean? That baby just sitting up here on the wood growing. And the end of it is fine. And it's been a few weeks since I added the calcium back into the soil. But these cucumbers, we're finna pull all that down, y'all. All this finna go bye-bye.
They still growing. Gotta figure out which ones is which.
Oh.
And we got a cucumber hanging on them. They still producing. Even though they folding, they still producing.
Well, we have to get over there and look. Baby already starting to pull. Of course, I had to start me some more corn because I am not giving up on corn. And the corn that was in this bed, the cobs that I could salvage, I threw the whole cob in this dirt. And I got corn growing. So I got to get in here and separate the little seedlings and get them planted out. I just couldn't let it go down like that. I can't go down without a fight, baby. But yep, that's gonna be the end of this video on the Blossom Inn, right, y'all. We got some work to do out here. So yeah, the diatomaceous earthwork, because that's what I used to use before I even bought lime, and lime work. So I do know both of those things work because I've used both of them before in the past. I didn't even have to go out and buy nothing. I already had it in there in my supply bucket, my garden supply bucket. But yeah, y'all, let me get on off of here and get to work. I got a lot to do. Y'all make sure y'all thumbs up the video. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed to the channel. It really helps my channel grow, guys, when you guys thumbs up the videos, subscribe to the channel, share the videos, or at least comment. All that'll help my video grow. So y'all help your girl out. Oh, let me show y'all what I got. Hold on, y'all. I got so much shit. These was my beets. See, I'm gonna have to wait. Because y'all done tried beets and carrots so many times, y'all. It's done wasted out in the bag. But that's the lime right there, y'all. And the bag old, so it's done wasted all in here. Or you can use the diatomaceous earth, the same thing I use on ants and stuff. It's good for calcium too. So those are the two things that I use. I got me some asparagus started, y'all. I put 2 in each pot. There's 2 in there. Got me some asparagus started. Alright, family. That's gonna be the end of the video. And I will see you good people in the next video. Stay blessed. Okay, family, just a little bonus clip. I hope y'all can hear me. I got my fan blowing because it's super duper hot out here. Okay, so a little bonus clip. We cleaned out the watermelon bed. This what we got left, y'all. Little ice box right there. Little ice box right there. Jubilee over there. All them straight. That one, Blossom Inn rod. We talked about that earlier in the video. Those, okay. Those are the newer ones I put in. So we went on and fed the bed. Gave it bone meal, blood meal, and a little bit more lime. Because those babies should be a little bit farther off than what they are. And they was the only ones planted on that side. Everything else was planted down there and down this side. And as you can see, the little cantaloupes back up. Cantaloupe leaves smell good. It's, I don't know what, y'all. Okay, and this is what we ended up taking off. The 2 sugar babies. I mean, ice boxes. And a Jubilee that ain't ready. And that's it. All the cucumbers gone. Except 2 little plants. And that's what we took off right there, y'all. Okay, that's going to be the end of this video, guys. And we will see you guys in the next video. We are beats, y'all. Beats. And you have to come back at her and do a little bit more work tomorrow. Really during the week is when we do the gardening stuff. Because on the weekend, we mainly working on something else. So, yeah, you guys go ahead and thumbs up the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. Leave your comments down below. Look at the little ice box right here, y'all. That baby. But yeah, we cleaned it up pretty good, guys. And we will see you lovely people in the next video. Peace. Okay, guys. So we finally got one of the watermelons that had the blossom end rot at the bottom of it. And we cut it off. We cut it open and cut it off. And it still look good. So I Googled and asked, could we eat the fruits and vegetables if it had blossom end rot on it? They say that it doesn't affect the actual fruit or vegetable, just the blossom end of it. And I kind of believe it, y'all, because that watermelon still looks good. So let's do a taste test. Okay, baby finna get ready to take a piece and taste it. How does it taste?
Like watermelon. It's juicy and sweet. Still the same. Just had the little ugly end on it. Still
Okay.
the same watermelon.
Okay, so that's good. That's for me, that piece. Yeah, y'all. It's still juicy and good.
Same watermelon.
So, I gotta agree with Google that just cut the blossom end rot part off and enjoy the fruits of your labor. But we gotta remember that the first signs of the leaves discoloration that you saw previously early in this video, go ahead and throw a little diatomaceous earth on there or a little lime on it in its soil. But that watermelon is still good.
Firm too.
And full of seeds. Full of. No, I don't want no more. I gotta go ahead and finish Mariana hair. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. This is just a bonus clip. I wanted you guys to see me cutting open one of the watermelons that had the blossom end rot. So we can all see together at the same time that it is salvageable. Yes, sir. Alright, guys. Make sure you thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave your comments down below. Do not forget to turn your post notifications on so you will know every time I upload a video. And I will see you lovely people in the next video. Peace.